Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3443 laptop driver all. Okay, so first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. So you can just click to download, then click on the support and then click driver and download, then enter the model number. Select this. So this is your laptop. There are two options to install: first automatic and second specific. So sometime it will getting the error in the automatic. You specific install the driver like a Dell land driver, graphic driver, touchpad driver. So just click to select driver, click on categorize, select your operating system. If your it will not show, so no worry about it, you just select the Windows 10, because Windows 10 and Windows 11 driver similar, it will support. Okay, so first you can see this is a Wi-Fi driver and click to download. So I already downloaded. So download icons, it is just, you can see it, click to download, it will start downloading. Wireless and click yes. You can see the Wi-Fi driver and click to download. So it is run and install the background. After that Wi-Fi it is completed, then slow down. This is security update. This is audio drivers. Okay, so audio driver also install. You just download all the driver and then try to install. So this is audio driver, just single click to download and after that open and then click on install. Then click on next. Then guys, select the no and then finish, because you have to install all driver then. Okay, then chipset driver. Okay, you can see this one. I also downloaded the chipset driver and click to yes and then install. So you can see it is installed successfully. Scroll down. Touchpad, this is touchpad driver. So already downloaded driver, Dell touchpad driver, and click to download. Then click on yes. After that click on yes, installed. Then click on yes, install, then close it. So this is a wireless Bluetooth. If you need, so you can install wireless. And this is your normal graphic card driver, and this is NVIDIA graphic card driver. Okay, so if you are using NVIDIA graphic card driver, so also download it. And this one, this is download to start, and then click yes then just click to install. Like that, you have to just next install and finished. Okay, and then close. After all completed, then restart your system. Thank you.